Now, see the next problem. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. The previous problem you have to add and subtract on the given equation. But in this problem, see the same method, but this is divided problem. The first problem is division problem. 3L is equal to 42. Okay, now see here, how can you solve in that equation? See, first now we have to divide both sides of the equation by 3. Why? See the variable L, the coefficient is 3. Okay, so in this 3 you can divide on both sides. So what will you get? 3L by 3 equal to 42 by 3. In the left hand side, cancel the 3. So you will get L is equal to, how many 3 is in this 42? 1 3s are 3, the remainder 1, so 12. How many 3 is in this 12? 4. So what is the L value? L is equal to 14. Clear? Okay. See the given question, 3L is equal to 42. So 3L is there, so you can take in this 3. Suppose 2L is there, means you can divide it by 2 on both sides. Okay, here 3 is there, so you can divide it by 3 on both sides. So you will get cancel the 3. So L is equal to, how many 3 is in this 42? 14 3. So that is the answer. Clear? Now see the next problem. You can take B by 2 is equal to 6. See here, divided by 2 is there. So you have to remove this 2, means we have to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Okay, see, multiply both sides of the equation by 2 is equal to, what is the right hand side? 6 into 2. See here, cancel the 2. What will you get? B is equal to, 6 2s are 12. So the B value is 12. Clear? Now see the next problem. P by 7 is equal to 4. See here, P divided by 7. You need P only. So you have to remove the 7. So you can divide both sides, multiply. Multiply both sides of the equation by 7, because of by 7 is there. So we have to multiply both sides of the equation by 7. Then we get, see here, multiply 7 on both sides means, see 7 7 cancel, P is equal to, what is 4 7s are? 28. So P equal to 28 is your answer. Okay. Now see. See the next problem. Suppose you have to take 4x is equal to 25. 4x is there. So you have to remove the 4, means what do you do that? Now we have to divide both sides of the equation by 4, right? So here you can take 4x by 4 divided by this equation, both sides on 4. So 4 4 cancel, x is equal to, what will you get? 25 by 4. The simplification is not possible, so directly you have to write 25 by 4. Okay. See the next problem. 8y equal to 36. Now you have to find y is equal to. See, what is the constant term? That means y coefficient 8. So you have to remove the 8. So now we have to divide both sides of the equation by this 8. Then we get, see here, by 8 equal to 36 by 8. See the left hand side, cancel the 8. So y is equal to, how many 8 is in this 36? This is not possible, right? So you can take the second table. Okay, how many 2 is there? 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16. And then here 4 2s are 8. Again second table is possible. 9 2s are 18. 2 2s are 4. So you will get 9 by 2. So y is equal to 9 by 2 is your answer. Okay. See the next problem. 20t is equal to minus 10. See the left hand side, 20t. Okay. See here. You have to remove this 20. So we have to divide in this 20 on this both side. So you will get 20t by 20 equal to minus 10 by 20. Now you have to cancel the 20. You will get t is equal to, see here minus is there. How many 10 is there? Simplifying in this one, see 0 0 cancel. So you will get t is equal to minus 1 by 2 is your answer. Clear? Now we have to move for the next problem. See, give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. See, give the steps you will use to separate the variable, okay, and then solve the equation. So the same question, separate the variable first, okay, after that you have to solve the equation. See the first problem. See, 3n minus 2 equal to 46. What do you do that? See, first we have to add 2 to the both sides of the given equation because of minus 2 is there. So first you have to remove this minus 2, means you have to add plus 2 on both sides. So you will get 3n minus 2 plus 2 equal to 46 plus 2. See here minus 2 plus 2 cancel. So you will get 3n is equal to 46 plus 2 is nothing but 48. Okay. Now you have to remove this minus 2. Okay. See, you will get 3n is equal to 48 in this equality. Now you have to remove in this 3. Because of 3n is there. Now you have to separate the variable. Okay. See, the 3 or 2 or 5. See the terms which constant is there, and that constant you have to divide it by both sides. See what is that? 3n is there. So now we have to divide both sides of the equation by 3 is there. Okay, right? So divided by 3. So you will get 3n by 3 is equal to 48 by 3. Now you have to cancel the 3. So you will get n is equal to 48 by 3. The simplification is possible, means you can simplify the right hand side, or otherwise directly you can write that answer. Simplification is possible? Yes. How many 3 is there? 1 3s are 3. The remainder 1, 18. How many 3 is there? 6 3s are 18. So n is equal to 16 is your answer. Clear? See, the given equation is 3n minus 2 equal to 46. First you have to remove this minus 2. So we have to add 2 to the both sides of the equation. You will get 3n is equal to 48. And then you have to separate the variable. Okay, that means you have to remove, that means you have to find the n value. You have to remove this 2, means we have to divide both sides of the equation by 3. You will get in this step. See, the left hand side, cancel the 3 on numerator and denominator, and then right hand side the simplification is 48 by 3, simplification is 16. So n value is equal to 16. Clear? Now see the next problem. 5m plus 7 equal to 17. What do you do that? First of all you have to remove this 7. So we have to subtract 7 to the both sides of the equation. So you will get 5m plus 7 minus 7 equal to 17 minus 7. The both sides we have to subtract minus 7 of the equation. Right? See the left hand side, plus 7 minus 7 cancel. So you will get 5m equal to, what is that, 17 minus 7? 10. So you will get 5m equal to 10. Now we have to divide both sides of the equation by 5. Because of 5m is there, you have to remove this 5. Means you have to divide it by 5 on both sides. Right? So 5m by 5 equal to 10 by 5. So what will you get? Cancel the 5. M is equal to, what is 10 by 5? 2. So the m value is 2. Clear? Now see the next problem. 20p divided by 3 is equal to 40. Okay, see what do you do that? See, divided by 3, the left hand side by 3 is there. So first of all you have to remove the 3. So first we have to multiply 3 to the both sides of the equation. So you will get, see, right? So 20p by 3, multiply 3 on both sides. Alright, so cancel the 3. 20p is equal to, what is 40 into 3? 0. 4 3s are 12. So 20p is equal to 120. Now remove this 20 means you have to divide it by 20 on both sides. So you will get 20p by 20 is equal to 120 by 20. See, cancel the 20. So p is equal to, cancel 0, and then how many 2 is there? 6 2 is there. So p is equal to 6 is your answer. Clear? The same method you can do the another problem. See here, 3p by 10 equal to 6. First you have to remove this 10. So multiply 10 on both sides. So what will you get? Cancel the 10. So you will get 3p is equal to, what is the right hand side? 6 into 10? 60. Then you have to remove this 3. Means what do you do that? You can take, that means you take the divided by 3 on both sides. So you will get 3p by 3 is equal to 60 by 3. Now cancel the 3. So the left hand side is p is equal to, how many 3 is there? 2. So write this 0. So what is the p value? P equal to 20. Okay. See the next problem. Fifth one. Solve the following equation. Okay. Solve the first one. 10p equal to 100. You can remove this 10. So what do you do that? You divide it by 10 on both sides. Right? See, now cancel the 10. So you will get p is equal to, cancel the 0. So p is equal to 10. Clear? Now you have to solve in that equation. Okay. See the next problem. 10p plus 10 equal to 100. This is very important. See here, first of all, you have to remove the 10 for the left hand side. So what do you do that? We have to subtract 10 on both sides first. So 10p plus 10, subtract 10 on both sides. See the left hand side, plus 10 minus 10 is there. So you will get 10p equal to, what is 10? 100 minus 10? 90. What is the next step? You have to remove this 10. That means, why you have to remove this 10? You need p value. So you have to remove this 10. Means what do you do that? Divided by 10 on both sides. So you will get 10p by 10 equal to 90 by 10. See the left hand side, 10 10 cancel. So p is equal to cancel the 0. What will you get? 9. So p is equal to 9 is your answer. Clear? Same method. See the next problem. P by 4 equal to 5. Now you have to find the p value. So what do you do? That see the divided by 4 is there. So we have to multiply 4 on both sides. So you will get p by 4 into 4 equal to 5 into 4. Now see the left hand side, numerator 4, denominator 4 is there. So you have to cancel off in that one. You will get p is equal to 5 4s are. What is the 5 4s are? 20. Okay. See the next problem. The same method. Minus p by 3 equal to 5. First you have to remove this minus 3. Right? So you can multiply minus 3 on both sides. So minus 3 by 3 into minus 3 is equal to 5 into minus 3. Now see here, minus 3 cancel, minus also cancel. So you will get the left hand side p is equal to, first you have to multiply the sign, plus into minus, minus. 5 3s are 15. Now what is the p value? P equal to minus 15. Okay. See the next problem. 3s is equal to minus 9. First you have to remove this 3. Means you can divide it by 3 on both sides. You will get 3s by 3 equal to minus 9 by 3. See here 3 3 cancel. So s is equal to minus 9 by 3. So minus by plus. So minus, how many 3 is that? 3. So s is equal to minus 3 is your answer. Okay. See the next problem. (3s plus 12 equal to 0). How can you solve in that one? What is that? First you have to see the left hand side, remove the 12. So plus 12 is there. So you have to subtract minus 12 on both sides. Right? So 3s plus 12 minus 12 equal to right hand side 0 minus 12. In that inequality, in this equality, you can subtract minus 12 on both sides. See the left hand side, plus 12 minus 12 is there. So 3s is equal to, what is 0 minus 12 minus 12. Okay. Now you have to remove this 3. So you can divide it by 3 on both sides. So you will get 3s by 3 equal to minus 12 by 3. In this equality, you have to divide by 3 on both sides. See, now you have to cancel that 3. So you will get s is equal to, see, minus by plus means minus. How many 3 is there? 4. So s is equal to minus 4 is your answer. Clear? See the next problem. 3s equal to 0. What do you do that? See, 3s is there. You have to remove that 3, means you can divide it by 3 on both sides. Right? So, you have to divide it by 3 on both sides. See, cancel the 3. You will get s is equal to 0 by anything. What is that? 0 by anything. The value is 0. Clear? So s is equal to 0 is your answer. Okay. Right. The next one. You can take 2q minus 6 equal to 0. See, in this equation, left hand side minus 6 is there. You have to remove the minus 6 is first. So we have to add plus 6 on both sides. So 2q minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0 plus 6. Okay, see, minus 6 plus 6 cancel, so you will get the left hand side 2q only. See the right hand side 0 plus 6. What is 0 plus 6? 6. What is the next step? You have to remove this 2. So what do you do that? We have to divide by divided the 2 on both sides. So you will get, see here, by 2 equal to 6 by 2. See the left hand side 2 cancel. So you will get q is equal to, what is the simplification of 6 by 2? What is that? 3 2s are 6. So the q value is q equal to 3 is your answer. Clear? Thank you.